Hi students, welcome back to channel of Mukesh Sir's Group Tuitions. This is the fifth lecture of integration. In the last lecture we have started integration by substitutions, and using substitution you have derived two formulas. Integration of f dash x upon f of x dx is log of mod of f of x plus c, and integration of f dash x upon root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x plus c. We can derive these formulas using substitutions, and then using these formulas you can derive formula set to 3. So here we derive integration of tan x. So integration of tan x is equal to log of mod of sec x plus c. Tan x का integration is log of mod of sec x plus c. You can go through the proof here. So you want integration of tan x, right? Dx. Now tan x ko you can write integration of sin x upon cos x. Tan is sin upon cos. Now derivative of cos is minus sin. So I want a minus sign there. We multiply and divide by minus sign here. So I can write minus of minus sin x upon cos x dx, right? So now you can check denominator ka derivative. The derivative of denominator is numerator. Sin ka derivative is minus cos. Okay. So this is in the form f dash x upon f of x dx. So integration of f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to log of mod of f of x plus c. Log of mod of f of x plus c. So when I use that formula, it becomes integration of minus log of mod of cos x plus c. Okay. Now you know minus log a. Minus of log a is equal to log of 1 upon a. Right. So minus log a you can write log of 1 upon a. Therefore this becomes integration of log of 1 upon cos x plus c. And you know 1 upon cos is sec x. So your answer becomes therefore integration of tan x dx is equal to log of mod of sec x plus c. This is a very important formula for the sums coming ahead now. So remember integration of tan x dx is equal to log of mod of sec x plus c. Log of mod of sec x plus c. The second formula is integration of cot x dx. Cot ka integration is log of mod of sin x plus c. You can prove it similarly. The third formula is integration of sec x dx. Sec x ka integration is log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. Sec x plus tan x plus c. Log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. There is one more formula which is very important for the entrance. The same formula can be written as log of mod of tan bracket mein pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Log of mod of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. We can prove this. So let I is equal to integration of sec x dx. So here we multiply and divide by sec x plus tan x. So you can write integration of sec x into multiply and divide by sec x plus tan x. Multiply and divide by sec x plus tan x. So when you open the brackets in the numerator, you get integration of sec x into sec x becomes x square x and plus sec x into tan x the whole dx, right? Now you can check denominator ka derivative is numerator. Okay, tan ka derivative is sec square x and sec x ka derivative is sec x into tan x. So ये पूरा denominator का derivative numerator है. So you can use the formula integration of f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to log of mod of denominator plus c. So log of mod of f of x plus c. So when you use the formula, the answer becomes I is equal to integration becomes log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. Clear? So that's the formula. Now you can solve this further. You can write this as log of sec x is 1 upon cos x and tan is sin upon cos. So you can write 1 plus sin upon cos x plus c, right? So this can be written as 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square, and denominator में cos x है. cos x का formula half angle formula is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So in the numerator you have a plus b the whole square, denominator you have a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. That will become log of mod of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. एक cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 cancel हो गया. If you divide by cos x by 2 in the numerator and denominator, this becomes log of mod of 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2, or this can be written as log of mod of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Clear? There is one more formula for integration of sec x. This formula is very important for the entrance exams. Okay, so integration of sec x is log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c, or log of mod of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Similarly, you can prove the fourth formula, integration of cosec x dx. So cosec का integration is log of mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c, log of mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c, or if you convert in x by 2, this becomes log of mod of tan x by 2 plus c. This is again very important for the entrance exams. So these are the four formulas. I repeat again, sec का integration, tan का integration, tan x का integration is log of mod of sec x plus c, cot का integration is log of mod of sin x plus c, sec का integration is log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c, and cosec का integration is log of mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c, or log of mod of tan x by 2 plus c. ये सब formulas में अगर angle, if you have ax plus b instead of x, then use the same formula in terms of ax plus b and divide the answer by coefficient of x. Okay, means what? Integration of tan x. Let's write the formula once again. Tan का integration is log of mod of sec x plus c. इसका composite form will be what? Integration of tan of ax plus b. It should be a linear function. I told in the second lecture. This will be log of mod of sec ax plus b, and divide the answer by the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is upon a plus c, right? Second formula, integration of cot x dx is equal to log of mod of sin x plus c. The composite form is integration of cot of ax plus b dx will be equal to log of mod of sin of ax plus b the whole upon a plus c. The third formula is integration of sec x dx. That's log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c, or log of mod of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Same you can use for composite rule also. And the last formula is cosec. Integration of cosec x dx is equal to log of mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c, or log of mod of tan x by 2 plus c. इन दोनों में भी x जगह पे x plus b आया, तो आंसर में भी x जगह पे x plus b लिखना है, and divide the answer by the coefficient of x. Clear? We solve sums based on these formulas now. So we solve a few problems on that. Suppose you have integration of root of 1 plus 2 tan x into sec x plus tan x. So how do you solve this? Tell me. Integration root of 1 plus 2 tan x into bracket में sec x plus tan x. So you can write this as I is equal to integration of, when you open the brackets inside the root term, you get 1 plus 2 sec x into tan x plus 2 tan square x dx. So I can write this as integration of root of, now this 1 और यहाँ पे 2 tan square है, दिख रहा है आपको, यू हैव 2 tan square x, है ना. सो ये जो 2 tan square है इसको स्प्लिट करो tan square x प्लस tan square x. सो यू राइट 1 प्लस tan square x, उसमें का एक tan square x अलग से लिखो. सो यू कैन राइट 1 प्लस tan square x प्लस 2 sec x tan x प्लस 1 more tan square x dx. So I is equal to integration of root of, now 1 plus tan square x, identity use किया तो 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So that will become sec square x plus 2 sec x tan x plus tan square x the whole dx, right? Now check out the term inside the root there. It's a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b the whole square. So that becomes integration of root of sec x plus tan x the whole square dx. Now sec x plus tan x the whole square and square root. Square and root that gets eliminated. You get integration of sec x plus tan x. So use the formula sec x ka integration. What's the integration of sec x? It's log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus c. And tan ka integration is log of mod of sec x plus c. This is your answer. If you want, you can simplify log a plus log b is equal to log of a into b. So your net answer becomes sec x plus tan x into sec x plus c. Is that clear? So check out this question. You can solve a similar question yourself. I is equal to integration of root of 1 minus 2 cot x into bracket में you have cosec x minus cot x the whole dx. Exactly a similar one. You can try it yourself and you'll get the answer as log of mod of cosec x minus cot x into sin x plus c. Let's solve one more question. What is the integration of 1 minus cos x the whole upon sin x? So you can write this as integration of 1 upon sin x minus cos x upon sin x. Separate them. So this becomes integration of cosec x minus cot x dx. Use the formula. Cosec ka integration is log of mod of cosec x minus cot x minus cot ka integration. Cot ka integration is log of mod of sin x plus c. Right? You can use log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a upon b. So your net answer is log of mod of cosec x minus cot x the whole upon sin x plus c. That's the answer. So you can solve similar questions here. Integration of 1 plus sin x upon cos x dx, or you can solve integration of 1 plus cos x upon sin x dx. Now let's take one more example. Integration of 1 minus cos 3x upon sin 3x dx. So now when you separate them, 1 upon sin becomes cosec 3x minus cot 3x the whole dx. अभी यहाँ पे 3x है. cosec का फॉर्मूला is log of mod of cosec 3x minus cot 3x the whole upon 3 minus cot का इंटीग्रेशन. cot का इंटीग्रेशन log of mod of sin 3x and divide the answer by coefficient of x. तो यहाँ पे भी 3 से डिवाइड करना है upon 3 plus c. Right? और यहाँ पे 1/3 कॉमन लेके यू कैन यूज़ log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log of mod of cosec 3x minus cot 3x the whole upon sin 3x plus c. Clear? So in all the formulas again, instead of x, if you have 2x, 3x, 4x or any linear function, use the same formula and divide the answer by the coefficient of x. यहाँ पे coefficient x 3 था, हम लोग ने 3 से divide किया. Is that clear? Now you have some standard types here. So let's discuss the two types here. What about integration of sin square x or cos square x dx? For integration of sin square and cos square, you have to multiply and divide by 2 and use the double angle formula. So what is the double angle formula? If you have 2 sin square a, you can write 1 minus cos 2a. You had this in 11th standard. And 2 cos square a will become 1 plus cos 2a. Okay? So you have to use this formula and integrate. Clear? So let's solve an example. Integration of cos square 3x dx. So I multiply and divide by 2. You will get 2 cos square 3x dx. Then you have a formula 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So 3x ka double becomes 6x the whole dx. Now you can integrate. So this becomes half into 1 ka integration x आएगा. Cos 3x का cos 6x का integration is sin 6x upon 6 plus c. Clear? So for sin square and cos square, multiply and divide by 2, use the double angle formula and then you can integrate. So please practice these questions. Integration of sin square 2x dx and integration of cos square 5x dx. Right? And let's take one more type, the second type. For integration of sin cube x or cos cube x dx. You will have either sin cube or cos cube. Sin cube cos cube आया ना, तो you have to multiply and divide by 4. Multiply and divide by 4 and then use sin 3a cos 3a का formula. Sin 3a का formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Please learn the formula. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. It's 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. And cos 3a का formula. Cos 3a का formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. From these formulas, you have to derive sin cube formula. 4 sin cube a will be equal to what? 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Okay? And 4 cos cube a will be equal to cos 3a plus 3 cos a. So you have to use this formula, find the value of 4 cos cube or 4 sin cube, whatever is the question, and then integrate. So let's solve one question of this. Let's take one example, integration of sin cube x dx. Now sin cube के लिए multiply and divide by 4 कीजिए. So this becomes 1 by 4 integration of 4 sin cube x dx. Now what is sin 3x का formula? Sin 3x का formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, right? So then 4 sin cube x will be equal to how much? 3 sin x minus sin 3x. So you can put that value here. This becomes 1 by 4 integration of 3 sin x minus sin 3x the whole dx. Right? Now it's integrable. You can take 3 common here and sin 3x का formula. So the answer will be 1 by 4 bracket में 3 into sin x का integration is minus cos x minus sin 3x का integration will be minus cos 3x. So minus minus becomes plus upon 3 plus c. Please solve a similar method, solve this question, integration of cos cube x dx. Okay. So these are the few basic types, and we solve some more types in the next lecture. Please go through these questions, these formulas, learn the formulas of integration of tan x, cot x, sec x and cos x thoroughly, okay, and solve these sums what I have given extra you. Please watch the video, subscribe the channel, share with your friends. You can please comment below the video if you have any more doubts. Thank you so much. Take care everyone.